Okay, so this lesson is going to be brief, hopefully. What I want to talk to you about is multiplying integers. So what happened is we got to talk about our positives and our negatives. What happened when we multiply those and we have groups of those? So here's what I like to do. I'm going to push the algebra tiles to the side for a second, because if I gave you a problem that looked like 7 times a -6, I don't want you dealing with 42 tiles and flipping them and everything like that. Okay, so we're not going to do it that way. Instead, I want to talk about the people, because part of teaching about algebra 1 is teaching character and life skills. And so what I want to talk to you about is happy people. Okay, when you got some happy people and two happy people get together, what happened? You have more happy people. All right. Think about this as a positive number times a positive number is going to be a positive number. Okay. Now, let's talk about what happens sometimes at school. You come in positive. You got your smiley face on. You ate your breakfast. Maybe you had some grits. And then you run into somebody and their day might be terrible. They come in and they feeling like that. I mean, they woke up on the wrong side of the bed. You all positive. They all negative. Sometimes I don't like that y'all do it, but you do end up letting that negative person influence you. And so what happened is, now all of a sudden, positive, negative person, y'all get together, y'all are both negative. Just because you let that negative person be in your circle. All right? Tell them don't sit with you. Now, if we have two negative people, I don't like dealing with negative people, so I'm making them small. Okay, I got two people. Both woke up angry. Okay, they missed the bus. And that's something I would never, ever, ever do again. That used to be a song way back a long time ago. But say you get up and you on the wrong side of the bed. And then your partner or your friend, they get up, they on the wrong side of the bed. But when y'all see each other, y'all be like, hey, what's happening? Just playing. But y'all say, what's up? What's up? So anyway, now all of a sudden y'all happy. Because y'all two negatives, y'all about to get together and cause some ruckus. Hold on, let me show you what this looks like in algebra form. But I was about to put some problems on here, but instead it's a copy of what you see in class on a daily basis. It's back there on the wall. So you positive, your friend come in negative, they done rubbed off on you, now you negative. Or you negative, your friend come at you positive, but you done killed the vibe, so now you negative again. But if you got two negative people and y'all get together, y'all gonna cause some ruckus, maybe do something a little ratchet. I don't like that, but it's a positive in your little world, because at the time you young, you dumb, have fun. I don't know. But anyway, so that's in essence what happens when we multiply in integers. I know my example probably ain't the greatest, but hey, it is what it is. Now, my goal is for you to understand what happens when we multiply these positives and negatives. So if you have 3, now here comes the numbers. And 3 is being multiplied by a -4. What happened is, just because that positive is multiplied by that negative, look what happened. Positive, negative. Our answer is going to be negative. So that one little -4 is going to make that answer a -12. Okay, but at the same time, if I have, whoops, I should use the right colors. If I have, I'm going with red. Too late. So if I have a -2 times a positive 3, still don't matter. It's a negative and a positive. So the answer has to be a negative. Okay, but what happens when we have two negative numbers? Let's say I have a -1 times a -1. I don't like dealing with negatives, so I'm going to use small numbers. I don't care. -1 times a -1 is just going to so happen to be negative times a negative, positive. And guess what? To be honest with you, okay, sorry, I didn't know they were recording. But those same rules work anytime we are multiplying integers or dividing integers. If we divide, it's the same thing as multiplying. We just multiplying by a fraction. So remember, in life, stay with you some positive friends, because you don't want negativity rubbing off on you and making you not negative. And you don't want to see a negative situation coming head on and start thinking that it's a positive. Get with you, and even though it's not even on this little chart here, get you some positive people so that your life can be a positive. All right. Don't forget to smile as often as possible. Miss Gable loves you, and I'm here to support you in any way possible. Have a nice day.